Non-stick baking plates. Delicious waffle sticks. Bake 4 waffle sticks in the blink of an eye. Use your favorite waffle mix, serve with fruit and powdered sugar, coat in chocolate and add sprinkles or best of all dip into syrup. These treats are sure to be a hit. Non-stick baking plates. The non-stick coating and easy-to-fill cooking reservoirs make baking waffle sticks fun and easy. The manual includes recipes, hints and suggestions that will be sure to delight friends and family. Convenient power light. The Waffle Stick Maker features 500 watts of cooking power and comes with a power light, convenient cord wrap, latching handle and more. 1. Preheat Waffle Maker. 2. Mix all ingredients together. 3. Using a measuring cup or batter dispenser, fill cooking reservoirs with batter. 4. Lower lid and bake for approximately 3 to 6 minutes or until desired brownness is reached. Makes 25 to 30 waffle sticks. Tip. Try adding a cinnamon sugar mix or chocolate chips for extra flavor. Top reviews from the United States. Best little waffle maker. High fives all around. We are thrilled with this little waffle maker. We have this as a gift for our 8-year-old daughter. I was amazed at the excellent waffles I was able to make for our family. What a treat. We had searched online at the industrial waffle makers to coincide with our chef's kitchen and couldn't get anything delivered in time for the birthday because of the pandemic. Then we saw this little waffle maker. It could be delivered by her birthday. It was her favorite color, turquoise, and was from a kid-friendly company. I had once bought their cake pop maker for her. What was the cost of this waffle maker? $14. We rolled the dice and purchased this one. What a perfect gift. It needs to be plugged in and then unplugged for power on/off. There is no on/off switch. A red light on top indicates perfect temperature for making waffles. That is all. It makes waffle sticks or one full waffle. Watch the steam coming from the waffle maker as you want to make sure it is released so the waffles are crispier. It comes with about 6 waffle recipes in a waffle booklet. It heats up immediately upon plugging in and cools down quickly upon unplugging. Super easy to clean with mere wiping off of extra cooked waffle along the edges. It closes like a kid's briefcase or kid's purse or something with a handle, and you can easily wrap the power cord to store under the waffle maker.